Man, what they do.
I just be showing niggas love. I notice when they show it back. If I wanna get to the racks, I gotta put this on my back. Yeah, I gotta carry the pack. Yeah, I gotta lead the way. Yeah, I gotta go and get it like now. Yeah, I gotta seize the day. New whip with the wrist. Hey, bad bitch, big tits. Hey, I gotta go and get it right now, man. I gotta seize the day.
What they do, man. It's your boy TJ Too Smooth Treasure One. This is where I inspire you with the light that flows through me from the Most High. My ball python, a yellow belly ball python, 1 year old. His name is Lev. Lev means heart in Hebrew, but I'm gonna feed him a medium rat. Now, why do I feed my ball python live? So I feed him live because I want my animal to have a natural feeding response. If he doesn't know what it's like to actually take down prey, for one, he'll never know how truly strong he really is. He'll never have the instinct of being able to like fend for himself in any type of way. It's just, he's just become some like pedestal pet that I have. And I've dangled things in front of its face and it gulps it down like candy. That's weird to me. I want him to have a natural feeding response and know the difference between my hand and a living animal ready to be eaten. So those are two different things, right? The energy flowing off of my body is not the same as the energy flowing off of a distressed rat who's breathing like that and moving erratically and sporadically. I don't want him to mistake my hand for a dead rat that I've been feeding him over and over and over since he was a baby. Okay, so I think that's another thing. Now, second thing, why do I feed him in the enclosure? So I feed my snake inside his enclosure and I don't move him out of the enclosure because I do not want my animal to associate me picking him up with eating food. No. When you eat, you're going to be in your enclosure. I'm not touching you. No other living being is going to touch you besides something that you need to eat. But when you're just coming out for socialization, coming out to stretch around and exercise, that's when I'm picking you up. That's when there's no erratic prey action going on. It's just my hands picking you up and moving you out of the actual cage. So he only gets moved out of the cage when it's time to exercise. He doesn't get moved out of the cage when it's time to eat. I do not want him associating being moved, picked up out of his cage with feeding time. That's how you get bit. I'm not gonna pick up a hangry, just fed, still looking for more food snake. No. We're not picking him up. We're gonna remove everything out of his cage so he has a nice clear space to work. We're gonna put his prey in the cage. He's gonna find it. He's gonna kill it. That's a lot more, efficient than the whole moving him around. And yeah, no way. There's no way I'm gonna let my snake associate me picking him up because I have company over here. I let people hang out with the snake. I take the snake in public. No, you're not going to associate me picking you up with food. No. You're associating me picking you up with just, here's that guy that comes and picks me up every day. Here's the guy that comes and picks me up. Maybe we're going to go outside and get some sunlight. Not, he's picking me up. It must be time to eat. Also, see, this is another thing that nobody really talks about. Feeding a dead rat to a snake, that's kind of like frozen and thawed meat, right? So like, would you rather go to Costco and get yourself a fresh cut of sirloin steak, 4 of them for about $30 at Costco, and then cook it soon as you get home when it's still supple, it's fresh cut, they just cut it early this morning, it's ready to be cooked now? Or would you rather go to Walmart and get 4 pieces of frozen beef that you have to throw in the fridge because you don't have time to cook it, and then thaw it out again where it's like covered in water and all the good stuff is like saturated with so much water that all the water starts to leak out when you start cooking it and it takes away from the taste? What would you rather? I know you would rather fresh sirloin steak from Costco, and so would I. So that's what I feed my snake. I'm feeding them live rats, fresh from the store. They still got a little bit of an erratic fear within them. They're gonna make it fun and they're gonna make it realistic, for prey capture for my snake. The blood within the animal isn't stagnant, meaning the blood inside of the rat hasn't been sitting in the rat for like weeks or however long it's been frozen. It's not frozen blood that has to be thawed out again, which starts to stink so fast. Like, no, we're not doing that. We're just going to feed them a live rat. And I think that people who are afraid to feed live are people who are afraid of that natural prey instinct that comes out within a snake. Now, if you have a snake that's more aggressive, like naturally, or like your snake is just naturally aggressive, he's a striker, he's a biter, he doesn't like being handled, shit like that, well, maybe you should feed frozen and thawed to kind of like suppress that. But my snake is so calm, so chill, never struck at me, never bit me. No. So, I don't have to do that. So I think you should probably get an animal with a better temperament or whatever you have to do. But, feeding dead rats, we ain't doing that. Just feed it a live rat. He'll be all right. You feel me? So anyway, man, it's your boy TJ Too Smooth Trade 1. You want to see him kill this rat? Cool. Here we go. Go for the head, bro. Go for the head, bro. Go for the head. Do not go for the butt. Remember what happened last time, man. Go for the head, please. Disguising the hell out of stuff. Oh, he saw that. He moved too much. It don't take long, buddy. It does not take much. Let's use that heat. He wants you. It's over. It's over with. Yeah, he building up that strike. Shit. I'm so scared. such a great job. 4 minutes he has. Oh, there it is. Come on, man. I don't want to have to clean up all this rat shit, dude. Hurry up and kill it. Ooh. 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 Ooh, that was nasty. Oh, that was nasty, boy. Now I gotta clean up all this rat shit.